can see you now by the light in your eyes, but all I can feel is this never-ending night. The morning will come and the day will begin, and the ticket in your hand will leave me lonely again. It seems to me you're losing your mind, but you know that one day dreams fade with time. Now that you're free, free as a bird, I want you to know that you are my world. The sun is rising up high in the sky. We can't stop it now, you can't turn the tide. The hands on my wrist, the walls feel so slow. Run through the hours now, I know you must go. Somewhere outside the night I will sleep, while strangers pass through the shadows beneath. Now that you're free, free as a bird, I want you to know that you are my world. I remember a time that seems long ago, when I was scared if we were alone. But now that's all changed, and what will I do if I can't be on my own with you? It seems to be the way that it goes, but the love that you're giving is all